Yes, sir. There we go. I know you felt that. Breathe in and out. It'll come.
Yeah. I felt it down there, but everything was here.
Yeah, and just decompress really well.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, that mid back was pretty stuck too. But that's gonna help with everything.
Definitely.
You did great. Just opened up everything. Now we're just gonna let the inflammation die down and see how you do.
My back feels like it just expanded. Yeah.
Any low back pain? No. Just minimize any kind of flexion to the low back. Do more core stuff like bridges, bird dogs, planks, crunches, no sit-ups, anything like that. You're good. You're welcome. Hope it was worth the drive for you.
No, 100%. I needed that.
Yeah, you did.